Again, on a 2009 VW Passat Turbo, it's a bit of a challenge to put the temperature coolant sensor because there's no room for your hand, so you have to go under the car and it will be right here. But then again, putting the clip back to hold the sensor is gonna be a challenge, because you will have to be working with your one hand and two fingers only to push the sensor and then to push the clip back. So takes a lot of patience, but you'll get it there. I mean, I probably did at least 10 tries. And just make sure to remove the pressure of the coolant and you'll get it there. So hopefully this helps someone, but yeah, you can do it. Thank you.